Are we live? We're live. Okay. Well, not really live. I'm just posting a video. Alright, let's get started. Shall we? Alright.
Bring it on!
Way too loud. Way too loud for my understandings. Alright, let's get started. And god darn it. Alright, let's get started. Started to run. I want to kill myself now. You can't, when you're making a video, it won't let you scroll down, so you have to hop up and stuff. I gotta test my controls real quick. Okay. That's what I mean, it's so laggy. Maybe because I have Discord open. I finally have a Discord server, and I'll put the link down below to my Discord. And then you can join, have fun, ruin my life probably. By trying to make me lose my friends, that's one thing. I'm about dead! Magnet. Before I die. Yeah. It's so laggy. I need to unopen Discord. Wi-Fi, Discord. Yeah, I'll put the Discord link in the description below. Yes, I have a TikTok. You guys know that I have a TikTok.
The object of this game is to guess the 5-letter word in 6 tries.
Okay.
Let's get started.
No one asked. Did anyone ask? Did anyone ask? Okay, did anyone actually ask for an ad? Like, I want to know who asked for this ad. Who asked for that ad? Who asked? I want to know quick. And now. Claim my daily reward. I am almost there. When I mean I'm almost there, I'm almost there. Where's mine? You guys probably couldn't even hear me at all. This whole time, you guys probably couldn't even hear me. It would sound blurry. So you'll have to play with this like it's a phone. Oh, this is a lot chirpier. This is a lot chirpier. To you guys, it just looks like regular screenplay to me. Like, gimme. This is trippy. Good darn it. Well, that's gonna. Nope, I guess it doesn't cost all my coins. Okay. Okay, how about we play Melon Playground so I don't have to deal with this? I'm not learning how to speak your dumb languages. Alright, here we go. Minecraft actually, well, no. I don't have many mods. I don't have any mods in Minecraft. I wanted to play Sonic Boom, but I'll send a link to my Discord. So, down in the description down below where you can, log into my Discord and mess around with me and try to troll one of my friends that keep posting goat memes. Well, not really goat memes, they're just Goat Simulator 3. I hate Goat Simulator because my friend won't shut up about it, so, yeah. I don't remember his name, but his name starts with a K. So, yeah. On Discord, but his real name starts with an A, so I want you guys to hunt him down for me, please. Goodbye. Now, how do you function this again? How do you... Oh.